Here we are back again. Since few hours ago, USDCHF did an amazing job. I catch that one. I took profit a little bit earlier than I should. Alright, but it did amazing job. Okay, so profit is profit. I took it somewhere there. This is my taking profit area, but it went 2 times more. I should be holding it a little bit longer, but that's not the problem. Profit is profit. I reacted fast because I know this is not the trade that I would usually stick to and hold, because these are the fast trades, quick in and quick out. So this was the trade at the end of the structure, and this was the main reason why I behaved so fast. I've been waiting the whole morning. You saw me before the streaming. NAS is still there. Look at that one. I'm still holding that one. Still struggling over there. We didn't have breakdown yet. Still, there was a couple of candles that would love to try going lower. Only I think that the market is just shaking off on the traders or orders, let's say like that, and it will continue to trade. The downside setup is still active. I'm holding it patiently. I played the trade on break even, so nothing to worry about. This is risk-free trade. It either goes or it's a zero. But there is something new. I've been talking in the previous live stream. I have the gold. We finally had the break out of the gold. Look at that one. It's so beautiful. It's breaking lower. I do expect it now to continuously push lower all the way back to the target, all the way back down to this low. Let me show you the 4-hour target. I'm always aiming structure lows, this low over there, or this one or this one. Okay, so these are the structure lows that I'm always aiming. We'll see how these will go. These have multiple variations, how it could develop. Personally, I don't care how and where exactly it will move, because what I have learned in my history, in my experience of trading, is that I don't need to exactly predict the market and every single candle. I'm not trading on lower time frame or candle focused trading because it's too stressful. I don't like to predict candles because they have less probability to be predicted. What I am predicting are the structures. I'm trading from one structure to another structure. That gives me much higher win rate and much higher probability and less emotional. It's not emotionally hard to trade like that. Before, I've been trying to trade on lower time frames. That was just pain. I couldn't become stable with this kind of trading, so I had to move on swing trading. I personally love when I get into the trade. I don't need to worry every second. I don't need to take a decision every 5 minutes, every 30 minutes. I don't need to worry about the fundamentals. I don't need to worry what Trump is going to say, if there are any elections, are there any news, should I chicken out, whatsoever. And this trading style really gives me really supports my reason why I came into this business. And I came in this business because I want freedom, I want money. And this swing trading, it's all that resonates with me. From my desire, and all my goals are fulfilled. Even it's not stressful. I don't love this high pressure. I love pressure. I love risk. I love risking. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's much easier than sticking to the lower time frame, because it's lower time frame, it's too much for me. I don't like, and it's not my way of trading. I'm not saying it's not working. Someone maybe is better on lower time frame. Personally, it's not for me. I tried a couple of times and I didn't resonate with it. Not at all. And personally, what I think, it's very hard to predict every single movement within the structure. And what happens? My probability is dropping down. My profits are dropping down. And this is all caused by lower time frame. And this is the main reason why I don't love relying and watching lower time frame. I rather risk 10% per setup on the swing trade, on the swing setup, than risking $500 in 5 minute, 1 minute setup. And there is too much noise, much more losses than they should be, and that's just something that doesn't resonate with me at all. So today I'm up, I took profits, like I said, this is where I took the profit, removed the profits. I'm safe now. Why I didn't hold over there profit? Because I'm not, if this trade will appear, if this scenario will appear down there, like it did over there, I would hold. I will hold and I will exit it somewhere there around the previous structure high. This is where I will take my profits away. But as I'm entering at the top of the structure, very high in the structure, without any deeper pullback, this is the pullback. But it's not the deeper pullback, that's the huge difference. Charts are always dropping, they do small pullback, drop, small pullback, drop, but anytime soon there will be the deeper pullback. Look at that one, this. So anytime there will be the pullback. It could be one small and still go, small, still go, but anytime soon we will have this kind of structure, or this kind of deeper pullback if the price will continue to the upside. If it will not, then we will not have this kind of the pullback, and we will be anyway selling it. I will be selling it there. This is where I will start selling it. I will be either making this much or this much back to the previous low. I don't know yet. I will keep an eye on it, how this will appear. I'm not forecasting something in the future. I don't love to forecast in the future. What I love to do is wake up every single morning at the exact same time, watch the structures, watch for the potential setups, watch what happened during the night, and then make a decision. So I trade on fresh structures and not relying on some longer term analysis since 2 years ago, month ago, week ago. I don't care. I'm here to see every single day if there is any structural change, and this is my main question that I always ask myself: is there any structure change? If there is no structure change, I'm sticking to exact same setup, exact same directions, and exact same analysis. So simple. I really don't complicate in my way of trading. I love clean, specific rules, strict rules, not if, then, and so, and when, and blah, blah, blah. I don't love that. I like if this, then this, done. No if and thens and complications and ors and whatever. It went lower, pull back, it's going down, next structure, simple. The rest of the market is still not tradable for me. Aussie yen are something that I will watch in the upcoming future. Currently, no signs of any reversal. I can expect that the price will move to the upside anytime soon, but currently no. New Zealand yen, same there. It's struggling there. Personally, I didn't take the sell. I'm not in the sell. We'll wait for this buy once there will be any price actions, once there will be any signs of structural change of price action. New Zealand yen, yeah, Aussie chief, blah blah blah. Nothing yet. I will not take this buy order. Aussie chief, maybe tomorrow. He's trying to extend this correction, extend and extend and extend and extend and keep on extending. You know what's crazy? When people are reading fundamentals and trying to understand the fundamentals, they think that this is the real reason why market moves. But in fact, that's not true. You will never know the real reason behind the candle. You cannot know. You're simply...
Trump tweet.
So yeah, basically Trump has a little impact, but what he can do, he can just manipulate the market for one candle, but he cannot change the structure. Trump has no power to change the structure. He can create just the spike, he can just make a noise on the market, but he cannot manipulate and change the structure totally. It's not fucking possible. He doesn't have that influence on the market. Like a word. It's like swing trading. Look at that beautiful chart, no stress, nothing. I can just relax, enjoy. and watch my account grow. I don't need to stress. I don't need to be every single moment behind the screens. This was the one disadvantage with scalping and low time frame trading. I supposed to be there every single candle of the day on the chart and basically die in front of the computer, and this is what I don't like. I like freedom, as I'm always repeating, and this is the main reason why I started trading. I want money and I want freedom, and that's the formula of swing trading, or that's the description of swing trading. We will be holding this gold for a long term now, till tomorrow. Now it will go down and a little pullback and then down, a little pullback and down. Yeah, it can take a couple of days. What we did over there with USDT, a little bit too early profit, but profit is not bad. You know what's the problem? If we don't take any. Taking profit is not problem. Problem is if you don't take any. That's the problem. Entry was there. 9 hours. What's really funny is when you watch charts like that, when you watch the candle, it doesn't look so long, but when you start counting the candle and then transform it in life, how many hours, how many days, then you are confused sometimes or shocked. Oh my god, it takes the whole day.
And the correction whole week.
Oh gosh. I love this swing trading because of this reason. I do my analysis, I find the entry, I enter, and boom, voila, I have nothing to do. I am free for the rest of the day. This will be everything for today. There was a couple of setups. We take profit, we open new trades, we are leaving old trades, couple of old trades. Nasdaq is the old trade since yesterday evening, yes. Yesterday afternoon, basically, we opened the Nasdaq. Today in the morning, I opened USDCHF. I closed because there was the one-to-one setup only. And I opened after the New York session, after the news, sorry. There was the gold. I opened the gold exactly as you see on the screen. This is exactly my entry. I open it and I will leave it open until tomorrow. 100% sure. Today, I don't think there will be any changes in the structure, or I don't think it can be any changes in the structure. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and see you on next streaming.